Senator, the expose of Senator Lacson points to a syndicate within the DPWH. This is aside from, the insertions from Congress. But should the president also include his own DPWH secretary in the probe? And
Well,
do you feel that parang he's not being held to account?
Well, says if an agency or a department is already controversial or is facing this kind of controversy, the best thing is for the head to take a leave of absence so that he will not be able to influence any investigation. But to tell you frankly, wala ako makita ring replacement now in DPWH because even their USECs, their ASECs, directors, everyone is tainted. Says, no? And to borrow the words of Senator Lacson, corruption starts at the district office of DPWH and most of the time, the district office of the legislators. Mas takot talaga sila sa mga congressman kaysa sa senador eh. I just give you one example, says, ako tatayuan ko talaga ito. Insertions are not bad, especially if it's institutional and if you think that it will really benefit the people. No? Just an example here in San Juan, meron kaming mga low-lying areas. When I was mayor congressman, we were able to install pumping stations in strategic areas, just like Nabotas, ginawa ni Toby ako noon. Isa na lang yung kulang, one more in Barangay San Perfecto in Batis, no? Na until now, it is submerged in water every time there's monsoon rains. And for 3 years already straight, I've been asking and I asked and requested for a pumping station for here, and sila Secretary Bonoan and even the past secretaries will just say, oh yes, even the undersecretaries. But after a while, magsusulat ng errata, the congressman will write an errata, they will change it to slow protection, drainage improvement, which will not really flush out the flood waters. If this happens, that's why I'm mentioning this. If this happens in San Juan, I'm sure this happens also in other districts, especially the flood-prone areas, lalo na po doon. Ako kasi, my take here is that there is a master plan for flood control, says. But the problem is, it is not being implemented. Instead of having floodways, spillways, mga water impounding reservoirs and the pumping stations, what we get in the menus in the GA are, ito po, slow protection, water drainage improvement, and the smaller things. So,
if I may interrupt, Senator, you're saying yung menu, mga district engineers, regional directors na rin ang naglalagay. May kakutsabanan nila yung mag-a-approve sa Congress. Is that a correct assumption?
I would think so, Ses, kasi that's why, and this is the 3rd year that I've been back in the Senate. And as far as I can remember, for the past 3 years, we've been having these hearings on flooding, no?
Yeah.
If you can remember, Ses,
Yes.
every same issues, paulit-ulit na lang, hindi naman nawawala yung baha because we do not have big ticket flood control projects, which I mentioned, yung floodways, spillways, water impounding, hindi nangyayari kasi nga pinagpaparti-partihan. I think with the 350 billion budget, that's 1 billion a day, every district wants a piece of that budget. Lahat sila may flood control. But for me, it's common sense, says, dapat kung sino yung top flood-prone provinces, the bulk of the budget for flood control should go there. Pero there's a mismatch. Doon pa lang may mali na po eh. So, that says a lot already.